right, I've got my new Traxxas Rustler. I've been eyeing this one up for about a year. It's been on the top shelf collecting dust at the RC shop, but this special edition body's really got my attention. So I'm going to open it up with you. Gonna go to the RC track and run this thing tonight here in about 20 minutes, but I want to get it out of the box and do this stuff at home. All right, looks like a TQI controller. Put some batteries in that in a second. Look at that. Let's get the plastic off the body. Got a bunch of accessories. Go with it. Pre-painted, limited edition. All right, look at that. That's what I've been looking at for a year. It's out of the plastic now. I'm just gonna run it. This is right. This is the one I wanted. Not gonna do a different body. My most favorite thing. I haven't had it on any of the cars that are behind me. Finally got a little antenna straw, and this is brand new. I've done a little bit of research. I guess this is the upgraded chassis, and there's some differences on this one versus a previous generation, but this one's pretty old at the same time. I think this is a couple years old, and I think there's a heavy duty hub version. So got some stuff for the controller. It's only new once, right? In the remote, green light, boom. So I bought an adapter so I could use my ProTech batteries. It's a Racer's Edge Traxxas adapter. I've never used one. We might start a fire right now. You know, there's a lot of opinion on batteries, I've learned, but I'm still new. I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna do this. But it tells me right here, using the easy set button, VXL3 operating modes. I'm gonna have to read into this a little bit, I think. Okay. Ooh, look at that foam. Maybe that's what, it doesn't seem right. Oh, I could put it on the sides. Okay, it's getting a little deeper. It's like a kit now. So if you haven't noticed the buggy sitting right here, I've been driving this on and off for about a year. This is pretty heavy duty. And it's funny how much heavier this thing is. I do have a battery in it. Yeah, this is a good time to take out the transponder. Ooh, like I broke something. But yeah, buggy, I don't know, maybe they're the same. But yeah, going from this to this is the whole reason why I go to the RC track, are these trucks. And I finally have one. So practicing with this, now we're gonna go really affordable and see what it's like. This was kind of affordable too because it was used. The foam is going to be maybe a big piece that I want. Okay, already in the workshop. Truck's out of the box. I've got the battery in the controller. I'm fitting my battery into the car. There's always some extra foam and some other steps you might want to take before you get your car out and start driving it. And it'll be for the longevity. I'm gonna trim my foam block here. I think this is gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna go around my wires. I cut this a little skinny. I'm gonna fit it in here nice and snug with that being trimmed. I'm gonna do it one more for the other side, and this battery is gonna be good to go. And I think I want to put my transponder in it too right now, so I can just show up at the track and start driving. Second piece of foam, just gonna leave us a nice little gap in the middle. Oh, perfect. And then I think our carriage should hold everything nice and snug. Might even just come over the top like that. There we go. If I'm putting this battery in wrong, let me know, because this is honestly my second Rustler. I had a four-wheel drive Ultimate that was way different than this. So yeah, this is the most basic Traxxas chassis, and I don't even know what I'm doing. So we're learning together. Okay, battery clipped in. This is way different than some of the other stuff I've been playing with. Let's double check our leads here. So this adapter, I think the heat shrink's a little too thick. Silly things that you gotta pay attention to. Ooh, all the way, nice. Well, they say turn on the controller first. It's on. Is there an on-off switch? So I just about had a heart attack. I should have went a little slower. Red to red, especially with this adapter, because someone handmade this adapter, right? So we are red to red. I found the power button. Like I said, this is, I think she's on. Well, that sounds brand new. Did you see how big those tires got? Okay, that's it. We might have to drive this on my test track out front. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't think I can take this to the RC track. This is another level. Okay, I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, I'm already having too much fun. It's way overpowered. Oh my goodness. So my track's supposed to be up the sidewalk. Let's put the microphone in the car. That'll be fun. Okay, that's enough of this. Let's go find some dirt. How do they do it? On location. Just kidding. So, a lot has happened since I saw you at the workbench, drove it in the driveway, and I may have drove it somewhere else. I didn't turn the camera on quick enough. Cue those videos. Oh man, this thing's too much. I hate to say it, guys. I came all the way out here to make a video for you, and I already broke it. Is that how that works?
Yeah.
And I fixed it, and now I'm here. And check out over there. I've got a big gravel area to mess around. I got some big rocks, some dirt, and then over here, it's got all sorts of character. We're gonna see how long this battery lasts or how long the car lasts. Here we go. Oh! I'm definitely like zigging and zagging on you.
Ooh.
I told you it was bash time. This thing does not have a problem with grip.
Nope.
It just hooks up. Let's see if I, oh, see if I can do a fun run.
Uh-oh.
Look at those tires.
Turtle.
This is stock gearing with a 2S. This thing is a monster. Okay, we're gonna try to flip it one more time. The only intentional one I'm gonna try to do. Well, that's about the last turtle I'm gonna do tonight. I am so excited that you joined me on my new Rustler. I don't know, I wanna call this a test. I experienced some things and I'm still really happy as well. I already had some things to make this car work, but I got a deal at the hobby shop and I used, the batteries I had, and I already had to fix it, but I don't have any complaints. If you want to watch me drive some more RC cars, be sure to hang out on my channel and we'll see what I come up with next time. I'm still getting into, things I haven't driven, so Rustler accomplished. Okay, see you on the next one. Have a good night. Oh, it's still going. It's good. It's good. It's a good car. Look at it go. Still going. Okay, we're done. See you on the next one.